Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I am back at Ikea, my favorite place to share with you 10 household products that you should be buying from Ikea. These products are affordable, high quality, and they're just great basic products that anyone could use in their house. If you're gonna shop for these products anyways, you might as well grab them from here and save some money. Ikea has so many products, so I've just narrowed down 10 things that I think are a really good deal from here, really good quality, and are definitely worth getting. So let's get inside and I'll show you guys exactly what you should be looking for. First thing that's high on my list to pick up at Ikea are curtains. Ikea sells really affordable pairs of curtains, so you don't just get one panel, you get a full set to finish off your window. They have so many different kinds, different colors, textures, patterns, so there's a lot to choose from, and really they are the most affordable price I've ever seen. So every time I do a room, I make sure to pick up a pair. These ones right here, the Ana Luisa, are one of my favorites. They're just a very simple, thick white curtain, and I like the way it hangs on the rod. They're really heavy and they just work really well. Ikea also carries a bunch of different colors, different patterns, and sells so much variety, so there's really a lot to choose from when finishing off your space and considering window treatments. It's also really convenient that they sell all of the accessories you need to hang your curtains, like these curtain hooks, rods, and hooks for your walls. So they really have all the different elements you need to really complete your window space. You can do layered curtains using their curtain rod systems. You can have blackout curtains like this on top of more see-through curtains. So I just love the variety that they have, and it's truly unbeatable. For every single room makeover I've done, I've picked up window treatments from Ikea because they're truly the best price. So if you are looking for window treatments, don't know where to find them, you're finding them really expensive elsewhere, check out Ikea. I think you'll find exactly what you need. Another great thing to pick up at Ikea are plants. They always have really great deals on plants, a wide variety of real plants and faux plants. I actually really like a lot of their faux plants. They have so much selection and they do sell them at a very good price. So if you're the type of person that wants a lot of greenery in their space, maybe you're someone that can't really take care of plants too well, I think the Ikea plants are a good place to start. You can really get the look for less. And if you're looking for a more real plant situation, they have so much selection during the summer at a really good price. So if you're somebody that wants to get the look of greenery in their space, get that really boho vibe, I think a great place to start is Ikea, and it's always something I pick up when I'm there because there's so much selection to pick from and there's always new pieces coming in. Another product I always pick up when I'm at Ikea are pillow inserts and covers. You guys have probably been very familiar with these pillows. They're their $5.99 pillow inserts that I feel like everyone has. They're a really affordable solution to just filling your space with pillows, but they also sell these down-filled pillows for $8 and $14, different sizes. So there's a lot of selection when it comes to the pillow inserts, and then there's a ton of selection when it comes to pillow covers. If you're somebody that wants to switch up your pillow covers, switch up your decor a lot, this is a great place to start because you can do that at a more affordable price. They're always bringing in new pieces, so it's really easy to switch things up. These larger pillows are great for floor pillows if you want a cushion kind of look like that, or you can layer in smaller pillows on your couch and really get a gorgeous look. Either way, shopping for pillows and pillow covers at Ikea will save you so much money. You already know I had to include baskets in this list. I think Ikea has totally upped their game in the basket department. They have so much selection, and baskets can be truly used for everything. You can organize with them, you can decorate with them, and they're just a great thing to just shove things in and kind of tidy up your space in a good looking way. I think they sell really cute looking baskets at a good price, and it's one of the best places to get them in my opinion. So if you want to fill your space with baskets, organize with baskets, and use them all over your home, start at Ikea, save that money, and get some really cute baskets. Another thing to pick up at IKEA is lighting. They have such an amazing, impressive lighting department, and there's so many different materials and shapes and trendy looking light fixtures there. You will save so much money buying your lighting fixtures from IKEA. This woven textured light has been one of their most popular pieces, probably because of the size of it and because of how affordable it is compared to anywhere else. So really, they have such a great selection, really great prices, and you can totally get the look for less. So if you're looking to add new lights into your house, modernize your fixtures, start with IKEA. I think you'll find a great selection and really find something perfect for your home as well. Dishware is something I always recommend people pick up from IKEA, especially if you're somebody that likes to entertain, if you're starting your first home and you're looking for some new dishes. Get them from IKEA because the prices are totally amazing and the selection is just gorgeous. Dishes do get a lot of wear and tear, so it is a great thing to pick up at a more affordable price if possible. I especially love the 99-cent plates and bowls. These are absolutely my favorite. They're super lightweight, they're clean, they're white, they look good in your cupboards, and I just think they're the perfect thing to add to your kitchen. IKEA also sells really cute looking mugs and cups and glassware, so there's really a lot to choose from, and you can really have a custom, expensive looking space for so much less. I also love that all of their plates and bowls look really nice on open shelving, which is a lot more popular now. They have a whole wood selection, plus they look good put away in your cupboards. Everything looks uniform, orderly, and I just love the look of tidy cabinets. So if you're needing some new dishware, check out IKEA. Again, it will save you so much in the long run. If you're somebody that likes to switch out your art, match it to your decor around your space, create gallery walls, IKEA is the place to go to find frames that you need. They have so many different size options, different finishes, and they're really lightweight to hang. So it makes it really easy to put them on your wall, switch things up, and you're not spending so much money to get that look. So IKEA picture frames have always been super popular, but it's because they're so simple and timeless, and they're definitely the best price. On to something that everyone needs in their house, towels. Towels complete a bathroom. They are useful, they're functional, but they can also be decorative. IKEA sells really great selections of colors and textures. I especially love this towel here. It's $5.99 and they have it in all these different colors. So if you like a clean white look, kind of like a hotel, you can get that at a really great price without worrying about ruining it and ruining an expensive towel. I especially like these towels because they have a built-in loop, so you can hook them over your bathroom hooks and they just hang really nicely without falling. They're also super plush, absorbent, and soft, so it's just a really great deal for something that you're going to replace over time, change throughout the years, and I think this is the place to get them. You guys know I love a good organized space, and IKEA is a great place to start when looking for bins or organizers. They sell a huge selection of small bins, clear bins, large bins, colorful bins, bins with lids, and bins without lids. So they have everything that you need to customize and organize your drawers and cupboards. I love these white ones here because they're stackable, they fit food really well. They display these really nicely in cabinets like this so that you can store your food, your snacks, and everything stays neat and tidy. So for a really great price, you can keep your home organized. I always pick up my duvet covers at IKEA, especially for rooms that you want to keep switching out that cover. I love these plain white ones because they feel like a hotel, they look like a hotel, but white can get dirty. So when you get them at IKEA at a more affordable price, you don't feel as bad switching them out if you need to, if they get stained or dirty. So I just feel like they have a great selection at an affordable price, and it's a good place to start when looking for bedding. I really love these new patterns that they have. They're kind of vintage looking. And I also wanted to share a little secret with you guys. If you go into a store like this and you see really puffy bedding and you wonder why my bed doesn't look like that, it's because they actually have 2 duvets on these beds, which makes it look so much more plush and fluffy. just as a little bonus, I thought I would add in that you should shop from the as is section whenever you can. The as is section is actually returned pieces, some things may be damaged, but if you're looking to DIY something or looking for something at a good price, shop the as is section. We recently found this little chaise piece to a sectional in the as is section and got about $100 off. It actually had a missing foot, but we just asked for that piece, got it included in the price, and it was such a great deal. So definitely check out the as is section whenever you can. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this informed you on what products that you should be buying for your home to save you some money. A lot of these products can be more expensive elsewhere, so shopping at Ikea for specific basic products will always save you so much money in the long run. So let me know down below in the comments which products were your favorite. I especially love shopping the curtains here. I find that they are the ultimate best deal I can find. But let me know down below if you guys have bought any of these products or if you're looking for any of these for your home. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming content. You know I love creating Ikea content, but I also have some really big room makeovers coming up, so I cannot wait to share those with you guys. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you don't miss those upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!